Alexa, volume down 3. Good morning, y'all. So, I just want to share. We put our tree up last night. I was going to share that with y'all last night. But, last night? No, Sunday. We put our tree up on Sunday. I was going to show y'all last night. Ask y'all what should we decorate our tree, but I think we already got that. So, yeah. Comment down below what y'all think we gonna decorate our tree. What color we gonna decorate our tree. I put filter on because it is like, what, 8 in the morning? And I got a house to clean. Let me show y'all. That's why I got on here. Okay. These is teenagers leaving my dang couch like this. All right, so I'm about to pick up my kitchen, y'all. Refill my coffee, get rid of them dishes, clear my counters, because that's a no-no. And yes, I make homemade cake. Don't get it twisted. I do use some of the box sometimes for certain reasons. But no, let me stop. Anyways, okay. Got little candies up in here left over from Halloween that we passed out. And then I gotta reorganize this. Tyson, I gotta go shopping for because he is out of a lot of stuff. And his cups is empty. Dishwasher gotta get emptied out. But yeah, y'all, I gotta fix my cabinets. So yeah, they got stuff misplaced that's not supposed to be in here. I gotta work on this. I gotta fix this. Yeah, this is what I love to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. But this how my kitchen look, y'all. Even on a dirty day, this how my kitchen look, y'all. Let's see how this stove looking. Oh, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it? Oh, it's 8:45.
Time is 8:45.
Duh. Okay, I seen it on my phone. Microwave. So when you getting from Dad's kitchen, you get the clean kitchen. Tell them, Tay. Come on, Judy. Yeah, so I got some things over here in the corner to do. But yeah, we about to get into it, huh? He gonna make a mess while I'm doing it. Look it. Sandals over here. Shoes over here. All right, y'all. I'm back. And I'm organizing. I'm organizing my sweet cabinet, baking cabinet, I guess. And I was like, dang, I should have showed them that. Y'all should do YouTube. You know, I done it before. Should do it again. But anyways, yeah, I got a baking cabinet here. I had started, I think I'm going to leave this like this for right now, even though I don't like to have bags showing. I still got to add things. I got to refill these canisters. And I got to pull those things from back there. I got to fill up my brown sugar because that's what I just took out the cabinet. These candies I'm going to refill in here. My popcorn, I have it in the snack thing. And those are the things that were expired and going out. I'm going to make that banana bread because I was like, we got some bananas over here.
That's how cheap to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm slide in the road, slide in the lamb, slide in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean that contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my daddy the win, I fought at the win. My dog just caught another body, now he poppin' Zannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Oscar and toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zozak. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo tick. I remember when